Okay, so today's opener is just a basic review of what we did yesterday during our notes. The directions say, use the mathematical statement below to answer the question below. So the mathematical statement they gave us was 3n to the third power, or how else can I say that? Cubed, minus n plus 8 equals negative 9. So the first item that we're going to do is list the coefficient or coefficients. Before we can just basically list the coefficient or coefficients, we have to know what coefficient means. Who can tell me what a coefficient is? Dylan?
Number used to multiply a variable.
A number used to multiply a variable. So what are my coefficients in this mathematical statement? So what's the number being multiplied by the variable? Chance? 3.
And 1.
Nice. 3 and 1. Explain how you got 1.
Because there's always a 1 in front of a number that's by itself.
A variable by itself? Yeah, nice job. So what he's saying is because this variable has nothing in front of it, anytime that there's a variable by itself, put a 1 up in front of it. You don't have to put a 1, but just imagine that a 1 is up in front of it. So the variable is being multiplied by 1. So good. The coefficients is 3 and 1. The next question, how many terms does this statement have? So first off, what's a term? If I don't remember what a term is, how could you explain to me what it is, Emily?
A letter, number, or number and variable multiplied together, separated by operators.
Okay? So basically, it's anything in that mathematical statement that's not a subtraction sign or an equal sign. It's everything up there but the subtraction sign and equal sign. So how many terms does this statement have? Dylan? 4. That is correct. Who can tell me what the statements are? Josh?
3 and 1 negative.
Good, perfect. Are there any like terms? And if so, identify them. Are there any like terms here, Josh?
Yeah, 3 and then 8 and 9.
Do you guys agree with them?
No.
Why not?
Because the 3 into the third is not the same as n.
That is a trick. So I made to where it was going to be a trick, and I wanted to trick you, and I did. So, and that's okay, because I just wanted to show you something. So they're only like terms if the variable is the exact same. If the variable has an exponent on it, the only way that they're going to be like terms is if this would have to the third power as well. Now, if it said to the second power, they're still not like terms. They're still not the same. So are there any like terms? The answer is no. Now, if I took that exponent off, then yeah, the like terms would be what Josh told us, the 3n and the n. Is this math statement described as an equation or an expression?
Equation.
Equation, why?
Because there's an equal sign.
There you go, equation, because there's an equal sign. Can you solve equations?
Yeah.
Can you solve expressions?
Only simplify.
There you go, nice. You guys are going to ace this quiz on Friday, right?
Yeah, probably.
You're doing your quiz on Friday?
Every Friday.
Oh, every Friday?
Every Friday, almost.
Every single week?
Every single week, almost.
She said that yesterday. Why do you want
How long are my quizzes?
7 questions?
At the most.
Every Friday?
Every